A year ago, launching a high-quality brand required serious physical infrastructure. You needed a fully equipped production studio before you could even test a product idea. You had to source specialized hardware, dropping thousands of dollars on 4K video cameras, heavy tripods, and complex lighting arrays. Then comes the audio. That means securing isolated acoustic environments and professional-grade condenser microphones to ensure your pitch is actually audible. By the time you hire the crew to run it all, you are looking at a $3,000 massive multi-week production barrier. Most business ideas suffocate under that financial weight before they ever reach a single customer. But that physical footprint is no longer a requirement. There is a modern alternative that entirely bypasses the cameras, the microphones, and the human personnel. To test this, an entrepreneur recently ran a live experiment. He completely replaced a traditional creative agency with a single AI interface. In one afternoon, working alone, he built, validated, and launched a fully realized brand. The entire operation cost exactly $121. The first step in this process eliminates human guessing. Instead of brainstorming ideas, the AI agent is directed to scan real-world marketplace data to see what people are actually buying right now. It analyzes massive e-commerce platforms like Amazon, looking for a highly profitable, visually driven product niche optimized for short-form content. From there, the machine scrapes thousands of consumer reviews from major beauty retailers like Sephora, searching for a specific recurring customer complaint. It discovers most lipsticks dry out lips, so it calculates a solution, a hydrating lipstick formulated with squalene and ceramides designed to fix that problem. Weeks of traditional competitor research and product formulation are compressed into a single 5-minute chat interaction. Keep in mind, this entire production pipeline is running without a physical footprint. The AI has no direct access to actual cameras, microphones, or raw production equipment. It acts strictly as a digital backend. It pulls the top-performing social media content from the last 30 days and breaks down the exact visual hooks and pacing that keep users watching. Using those winning patterns, the AI generates highly satisfying, hypnotic ASMR videos. You see thick makeup paste mixing and churning, built entirely from scratch. It then creates realistic cosmetic unboxing shots and smooth product application videos that precisely mimic the look and feel of real user-generated content. These visuals are striking, but more importantly, they are systematically engineered by the software to trigger social media algorithms and capture human attention. With the product and the marketing assets complete, the AI handles the final deployment. It instantly codes a mobile-optimized waitlist page, generating every visual asset itself without relying on templates or stock photography. This diagram illustrates the initial sales funnel. Generated social media content aggressively routes viewers away from their feeds and downwards toward a single bio link. From that hyperlink, traffic is routed to the waitlist page, securely capturing user emails into a localized database. One autonomous digital brain seamlessly orchestrated this entire end-to-end consumer funnel, completely removing the need for a human web developer. The empirical results of this test are massive. In just 3 days, the AI-generated funnel pulled in 500,000 views and secured 833 waitlist signups. This bar chart shows projected gross revenue. A conservative 10% conversion from the waitlist scales up to $1,300 in sales. Subtracting precise operational costs, manufacturing, shipping, and AI credits leaves a distinct net profit of $738. An individual working alone achieved a 6 times financial return on a completely risk-free simulated test run. Gary Vaynerchuk uses the term hyper-micro-wealth to describe this shift, where specialized AI tools allow individuals to capture value that previously required a full agency staff. The mechanic of commerce is changing rapidly. Instead of spending massive capital on inventory to see if a brand works, entrepreneurs can now use software to simulate the brand and validate demand first. In this model, the advantage shifts. When research, design, and web development can be executed in a single afternoon by a machine, the primary barrier is no longer a technical skill set. Because the cost of trying a new idea has dropped to zero, the only remaining differentiator is the speed at which you choose to execute. If you find this valuable, please make sure to follow and subscribe. Rise, raise.